Yeah, start from the circle and tell me that what is this animal's name. Okay, who's telling first the animal's name? I just draw first oval. Okay, first make an oval like this.
Sir, do we have to make a oval on it?
Now this is little oval. A circle is full circle. It is little oval like this. Okay, sir.
Sir, he was present.
Yeah, maybe it not understand. Sometimes it's happening. No problem. Okay. Just a second, okay? Done, over done.
No, sir, wait.
Okay.
Sir, can you go next, sir?
Yeah, it's for the next minute, huh? Just a second. That much is done, right? Okay. So next steps is just join here. We can create another circle like this. Can you tell what animal it is? Anybody tell?
Sir, bird. Sir, pig. Yes, pig. It is a pig, sir.
Fig. Okay. Now, if you first time tell, you can got 100%. If you second time tell, you got okay. Now 70. Now you got 70% number, 70% talent. Now if you tell third option, third clue, if you tell then you can get now if you tell you can got 60%.
Pig not, sir, elephant.
Yes, elephant. Yeah, you got the point of 60 out of 60 point. Okay, fine. Yes, now you can make it. See, it's an elephant. I make it an elephant like this. Okay. So now I just erasing this inside the line. Okay, this line I erasing. Okay, and this line I erasing. Okay. Hello? Yeah, it's location, right? What fish, right? This thing. No, water still is. Yes, still water still is not clear. Yeah. If it's water is clear, then I feel that is okay because the sand is washed properly. I hope so. So it is coming nicely, but still it's not clear actually. It is totally not well. हो जाएगा ना अभी पूरा मतलब कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है पूरा मतलब डस्टी लग रहा है. ओके then fine. ओके मेरे ख्याल से थोड़ा सैंड थोड़ा सा लगा था. आई होप देता तो अच्छा होता क्योंकि वो पेड़ ऊपर आ रहा है. मैं घुस sure. Okay. Thank you so much. So now we can make the tree. This is done. Okay. Now after the next eyes, I draw over here small circle like this.
How do you make this?
Yeah, done. That much done. Can I go ahead the next steps?
No, Stefan.
Okay, beta. No problem. Take time. आराम से take time.
Sir, can you show next step?
Yes, beta. Okay, next we are going to here the teeth. The teeth should be like this. 1, 2, 3. This is the upper portion. And this is the lower portion. 1, 2. This is the hop teeth. So you can make the teeth over here. Okay. And you make another teeth over here. Like do like this 1 and 2. This is the full teeth. It's not cut. It's full teeth. Okay. Next tips.
So, 1 second.
Okay. 1 second, 2 seconds. Hello. Yeah, I said the location already. Oh, please send. Okay, thank you. Make it just one thing. Very easy things I have to tell you. 1. Okay.
So, I want the elephant's head.
Okay. 2. And another leg is not visible but here. 3. E for apple, B for bird, E for Elephant. Make it
Sir, can you down the page?
down the page. Page is already down. Oh.
That I said you
Then
can so the leg of
yes, those.
mine is that.
Yeah. Done that much? Yes.
I am waiting
Waiting for.
next step.
Okay, we are just add some here. This is the scenery, so I can add some tree here in jungle. See, I make some tree. This is small.
Sir, when we add tree, plants or flowers, the drawing is very beautiful.
Very beautiful. Yes, we are making some long tree.
And some rocks.
Rock, right. We can make the tree like
That's
this.
why I forgot to say.
Yes. Make tree like this. Okay, this is jungle now. So make it flower.
Sir, in jungle there are many plants.
There are many plants,
Many
right?
types of many plants.
Yes.
Many types of colorful flowers. And butterflies also. Then we add some butterflies. Then the scenery are very beautiful.
Yes.
We can add some butter.
So make it a more flower and make it the tree.
Sir, we can add some butterflies.
Yeah, you can add some butterfly too. This is texture of tree. Make the tree
Drawing is very beautiful.
is very beautiful. Yeah, it's a make this. Okay, the tree. Hey. Hi, Srijani. I hope you are so closer of me, right? You are in India. Welcome, India. Yeah. Please join. I hope someone joined, but again gone. Again join. Again gone. I hope that. Sure. Yeah, it's junior. Yeah, just join. I start the second drawing.
Sir,
Yes,
today's my paper is green.
very big.
This one and color is yellow.
Yellow, yellow, dirty fellow, right?
Yes, this is the one song I know.
Yellow, yellow, dirty fellow. Srijani, I sent another link for this demo, for your sister demo, right? Okay.
No, sir, my paper is very bad. Can I add
Okay, okay. So right now you're not available to join, right? Tomorrow. Okay, fine. Sure. Tomorrow, evening. Okay, evening time. Yeah. So how your grandfather is now? Is good?
Excuse me, sir. My space is very big. Then can I add some more grass?
Okay, fine. You can add.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Srijani, your grandfather, right, is some illness. Now he's okay. Okay. So you come back India after how long back? Last time. 3 years. Okay. So is India hot or cool now? What is feel? Very hot. So you continue the senior batch also? Or you? Okay. You go out? Okay, where? In India. Okay, you're nearby you are from Andhra Pradesh, right?
Yes, sir.
Ah, right.